Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. With reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. 1. If the inflation is too high, Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is likely to buy government securities. 2. If the rupee is rapidly depreciating, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the market. 3. If interest rates in the USA or European Union were to fall, that is likely to induce RBI to buy dollars. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. If the inflation is high, RBI tries to reduce the liquidity from the market by selling government securities to the public via open market operation. Statement 2 is correct. Rupee depreciation means fall in value of rupee with respect to dollar. In free-floating exchange rate regime, depreciation takes place when the demand for dollar is more than the supply. Thus, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the economy to increase the supply of the dollar. Statement 3 is correct. If the interest rate in US and EU falls, there will be an inflow of dollars in the Indian market, leading to appreciation of the rupee. To reduce the supply of dollar in the economy, RBI will like to buy the dollars from the market. Consider the following. 1. Demographic performance. 2. Forest and ecology. 3. Governance reforms. 4. Stable government. 5. Tax and fiscal efforts. For the horizontal tax devolution, the 15th Finance Commission used how many of the above as criteria other than population area and income distance? A. Only 2. B. Only 3. C. Only 4. D. All 5. Answer is B. The 15th Finance Commission, its terms of reference was unique and wide-ranging in many ways. The Commission was asked to recommend performance incentives for states in many areas like power sector, adoption of DBT, solid waste management, etc. Another unique terms of reference was to recommend funding mechanism for defense and internal security. Horizontal devolution, based on principles of need, equity and performance, overall devolution formula is as follows. On horizontal devolution, while 15th Finance Commission agreed that the Census 2011 population data better represents the present need of states, to be fair to, as well as reward, the states which have done better on the demographic front, 15th Finance Commission has assigned a 12.5% weight to the demographic performance criterion. 15th Finance Commission has reintroduced tax effort criterion to reward fiscal performance. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.